In this video, we will go to see how to take a screenshot on your laptop or PC with Windows. Let's say you want to capture your screen on your computer and save it as an image. To take a screenshot, press Windows Shift plus S on your computer keyboard. Windows Shift plus S. Now you can see the screen over here, and you have the toolbar over here. If you click the first one, then you see the marking coming. This one, which area you need, just press and drag and leave it, and automatic save it. And now click here. This is the screenshot save button. In the top you see you can writing something, editing. If you crop, click there, and if you need crop, that's it. When you finish crop, then you see the tick mark, click there, you can apply. It will save your computer. This is the save, and you can save as, you can copy, or you can share also. You can save as, click there, save as, and what you put on the picture and screenshot. This is the number. Go there, let's go on the computer. We put on you see, this is the screenshot. This is the another, yeah, that's it. I think it will help you how to screenshot on your laptop or computer.